Hello!
Hello!
Welcome to our Drawing Lessons channel. Today, we will be drawing using our hands
A scary Halloween pumpkin.
a jack-o'-lantern for Halloween. For this, you'll need a black marker, a sketchbook, and colored pencils or markers. Shall we begin?
Yes,
First, I'll place my hand,
and then mine.
and then yours, like this. Take our hand and place it on the paper like this. And now we can start tracing. Like this. Then you need to turn the paper upside down. And place the hand like this. Now, we need to flip the paper again. And connect the two parts of our drawing. Like this. Now, we'll draw a scary face on our pumpkin. Now you place your hand. Like this. Moana placed her hand nicely. Let's start tracing it. Maya. Now it's your turn to place your hand. Now, we need to flip the sheets again. And draw the other part. Like this, to make the fingers match. Trace one finger, the second finger, the third finger, and the fourth finger. Now, let's draw a scary grimace for our jack-o'-lantern. Moana, let me help you. Now, connect the parts of your drawing.
Like this, Mom.
Just connect the two parts of the drawing with straight lines. Now, draw the eyes. Also, draw the mouth. Let's add some eyebrows. Let's add more details to our pumpkins. You can draw anything you like. Moana, let's finish your drawing.
This is Mom Pumpkin. This is Daughter Pumpkin.
If we're done drawing, it's time to take colored markers and color our pumpkins. Let's open them up.
Subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and click the notification bell.
So you won't miss a new drawing lessons.
So, can we show how it turned out?
Let's go. Maya, show your drawing.